Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool mix right here, and basically what these are some dishwasher pots. So you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and this is the platinum version. They do have like an original version, but those do not work as well as this one. So they mention how it's much more powerful when you guys use the platinum version because it's like a stronger formula that they use on here to actually clean your dishes much better. And you see right here, they mention how the product actually works with a quick washing option if you guys want to use that option. And then for the one that we got right here, it comes in a pack of 23 of them, but they do have this available in different containers, a different size, but they all work the same way. If you guys are curious about what I'm talking about, I'm referring about some of these right here. So whether it's get like the smaller or bigger pouch or the big bucket ones, it doesn't matter which ones get. If you guys get the same one that has the platinum on here, it's basically the same thing. And you see in the back right here, they probably got some more specs and features that's on here in terms of how to use it. And you see the scent that we got right here is a fresh scent. I believe they have this available in other scent as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But first, I'm actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So right when you guys open it up, it definitely has a very strong scent inside. But when you guys bring it up close, this is what the inside looks like. So there's a formula here, formula here, formula here, and also a formula in the back. So all you guys need to do is just roll this into your dishwasher, into that little slot. And then once you guys do that, it will do everything else for you guys. So that way you guys don't have to worry about it until you guys are done. But like I mentioned, regardless if you guys get this one or the bucket version, it's the same exact thing. So if you guys get a 46 pack, a 96 pack or whatever, they all work the same way. Only thing to look for or the difference that's on here is whether you guys get the platinum version like the one that we got here or the original. If you guys do end up getting the original, it might not work as well as this one. But all of them inside should look the same as this one right here. So that is everything that's on the product. Let me actually go test it out to see when actually it works, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so we got all the dishes inside right here. Let's test it out and see how it works. Alright, so once you guys put it inside right here, then you guys are all set to start using it. So you see on the bowls right here, they are pretty dirty. So I'll show you guys what it actually looks like once we're done. And then I just want to select what you guys want to use. For the ones that we have right here, it actually allows you guys to use Express if you guys want to use Express. Go ahead and choose whatever you guys want to use. Alright, so I'll come back and check on it after it's done. Alright, so it looks like it's done. Let's check it out. So when you guys look at the dishes that's on here, eventually it definitely looks pretty clean. Like there's no marks and no grease left on here. So it definitely does work. It actually works really, really well. And it's so clean to the point that it looks like it's very shiny, like it's polished or something. But it definitely does work eventually. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test plan definitely actually does work and should work quite well. So depending on which ones you use, some of them might take longer and some of them might be faster. So if you guys use a quick wash or if you guys use the express option, it'll be much faster. But if you guys do the regular option, it'll probably take you guys around like 2 to 3 hours, depending on the dishwasher that you guys have. But you see when you guys use the product, it definitely cleans all your dishes and everything really well. So if you guys are in a rush and you guys don't have time to do your dishes, that is where one of these actually comes in handy. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want and need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys don't have time to do your dishes, especially if you guys are in a rush or something, then that's where one of these comes in handy. But then obviously if it's those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.